So this is the iPhone 6, which was released in September 2014 and is now approaching 10 years old. This is also the best sold smartphone of all time, with 222.4 million units. This is the first time they increased the screen size to a pretty reasonable size, with the regular model being a 4.7-inch device, and the Plus model being a 5.5-inch device. This was announced with iOS 8.0 and could be updated all the way to iOS 12.5.7, I'm pretty sure it is. And unfortunately, it has not gotten a software update since January of 2023, so it is now obsolete. So what's still usable about the iPhone 6 in the year 2024? Well, this device can still be fully functional for calls, texts, emails, and just sort of basic phone tasks. Social media apps are being phased out for iOS 12 as more and more updates are being brought up and leaving older software behind. Instagram is still fully functional, even the notes feature works. Discord also still completely works. By the way, join the server. Twitter, I don't think actually works anymore. I think it says you have to update it. Yeah. And YouTube still completely works on iOS 12.
It's only on the third bit that the microphone up top comes back to haunt us. My hands were sitting slightly on the upper half of the tablet.
Speaking of bends, remember when the iPhone 6 Plus came out and that very infamous video of the bend test came out? Yeah, well that didn't stop people from buying this phone, and in fact became the most successful iPhone of all time. Though I will say I'm not really a fan of how the antenna bands are. Now what should you do with an iPhone 6 in 2024? If you do just want a simple phone to just answer text messages or answer calls, answer emails, this one is actually pretty good, because this is the first iPhone to have VoLTE support, which means it'll be supported for years and years to come, even with outdated software. And there you have it. There's my video on the iPhone 6 in 2024. So if you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more, give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.